Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to install Domain Hunter Gatherer on Windows 8.1. To start with, we will need to get to the members area to download the installer. You can find the download in the active resources list. Just click it here and wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, open the file and go through the prompts as you see here. I would advise that you leave the install directory as default. When the installer has finished, you can run the software, and at this point, if Windows doesn't have all of the required components, Domain Hunter Gatherer will download them for you. After these have been installed and set up, you can now start the software as normal. The first time you start the software, you will be prompted for your login details. The username and password are the same as they are for your Domain Hunter Gatherer's members website, so enter those in here and you will be logged in and ready to use the software.